It's March 7th. McKenna was 3 months old on yesterday. She's having such a good time with her little mobile.
Is the sound gonna come on too?
Hey, McKenna. Hey, girl. Hey, good morning. When she first wakes up in the morning, she's such a happy girl. Yeah, she likes to play. Yeah, but we should be in the car right now, and I'm not even dressed because it's so hard to get dressed and get ready and leave this precious little thing.
Oh, okay.
That's the hand of Big Sis.
What's up, people?
How about good morning?
Good morning, and look at my precious Bob.
Alright, McKenna, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You blowing little spit bubbles? Huh? Are you blowing spit bubbles? Huh? These little animals keep hitting the camera. Hey, girl. Hey, McKenna. Hey. Yeah? What are you talking about? Huh? Did you have a good weekend in Georgia? Yeah, we went to visit our family. Had a little birthday dinner for Granny. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, Mommy's got to turn this off. I think. Let me see. Let me sit it there. Hold on. We might be able to hook you up there. Look at there. Just don't kick it. Alright. down. Take the camera down. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.